Okay, dear children, now we solve seventh problem based on these identities. So evaluate the following using suitable identities. 99 whole cube. Now which is suitable identity to it? And also we can write it as. So before that we think about how to write in easy way. Okay. So 99 can be written as nearest to tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands you have to write. So 99 is nearest to, of course, 100. So it can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Is it 100 minus 1 whole cube? Now, which is the suitable identity to it? What is the suitable identity? Yes, x minus y whole cube, that is identity 7. So what is the formula for identity 7? What is identity 7? X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. Alright, in this it can be written as x cube means here x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 1. By comparing it with the identity 7, we got here x value 100 and y value 1. Yes, now substitute in this formula we get 100 minus 1 whole cube is equal to, yes, 100 minus 1 whole cube is equal to x cube 100 whole cube minus 3 into x square 100 whole square into y value 1 plus 3x y square 3 into x value 100 and y square y value 1 square minus y cube 1 whole cube. Now simplification. 100 whole cube means 100 into 100 into 100. 6 zeros we get, is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Yes. Minus 3 into 100 square means 100 into 100. 4 zeros. After 1, 4 zeros. Plus 3 into 100. 1 square value 1 minus 1. Now it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs minus 10,000. 3 into 10,000, 30,000. Plus 3 into 100, 300 minus 1. Now all positive numbers add, then 10 lakhs 300. 10 lakhs 300 minus 30,000 minus 1. So minus 30,000 1. Now difference we have to find. So write in rough work 1 by 1. Or we can subtract easy way, that is 0 minus 1. Borrowing 9. Here remains 9 minus 0 9. 2 minus 0 2. Here 0 7 9. 9,70,299. So this is the answer. Is it easy or not? Instead of multiplying 99 into 99 into 99, it is a easy way to find the product of 99 whole cube. Is it the value of 99 whole cube? Similarly, we can solve 102 whole cube, 998 whole cube, 1001 whole cube. Shall we? Let us observe how to evaluate 102 whole cube, 102 whole cube. Okay, that is 102 whole cube can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Is it? So it can be written as x plus y whole cube. This identity is this 100 plus 2 whole cube is in the form of x plus y whole cube. Is it? So what is the identity 5? It is related to identity 5. So 100 plus 2 whole cube is suitable to which identity? Identity 6 or 7? X plus y whole cube or x minus y whole cube? X plus y whole cube. So x plus y whole cube is equal to, formula is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Is it clear? Now here x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 2. So this can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square plus y cube. What is y value? 2. 2 whole cube. Yes, 100 cube. So 100 into 100 into 100. We get right side of 1 6 zeros. Is it plus 3 into 100 square value, one side 4, yes, 10,000 into 2 plus, you know, place, so 3 into 100, 300 into 2 square value 4 plus 2 cube value 8. Say once tens, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 3 to 6 into 10,000, 60,000 plus 4 3 1200 plus 8. Okay. Now addition. Once digit 8 plus 0, 8, 8, 8. Okay, 8. Once digit complete. Now tens is 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Hundreds place. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. Thousands place. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Thousands place completed. Now 10,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 6. Here 0. So 6 plus 0, 6. Lakhs place 0 itself. 10 lakhs plus 1. So 10 lakhs 61,208. Is it clear? So like this we can simplify or evaluate the given product using identities in simple way. Okay. Now 998 whole cube. As this can be written as, how can we write it? As we can write it as, it is very near to 1000, is it? So I can write it as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Yes. Now here 1001. So this can be written as 1000 plus 1 whole cube. Am I correct? Now what is the suitable identity to it? To evaluate this 1000 minus 2 whole cube, what is the suitable identity? As that is x minus y whole cube. To evaluate 1000 plus 1 whole cube, what is suitable identity? X plus y whole cube. And you substitute these values in suitable identity and simplify like this, you will get answer. Now see the solution of 998 whole cube. So this can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Is it true? What is the suitable identity? X minus y whole cube. So it can be written as x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. Is it true? Here what is x? Here x is equal to 1000 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1000 and y is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 1000 and y is equal to in this group, then it becomes, in this identity, if you substitute x value 1000 and y value 2, it becomes x value 1000 whole cube minus 3 into 1000 whole square into y value 2 plus 3 into x value 1000 into y square means 2 square minus 2 cube. Yes. Now 1000 cube. So here 3 zeros are there, power 3 is there. So how many zeros we get here? Total 9 zeros we get. Yes. So beside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Yes. Next minus 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1000 into 1000. How much we get? 1000 into 1000. Here 3 zeros, 3 more zeros we get. Total 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros means we call it as 10 lakhs. Okay. Simplified. Plus 3 into 2, 6. I am sorry. 3 into 2, 3 into 1000, 3000 into 2 square value 4 minus 2 cube value 8. Now write 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 6 into 10 lakhs, 60 lakhs. In 60 lakhs, how many zeros will be? 6 zeros. 3 plus 3, 6 zeros. Plus 3000 into 4, 12,000. Minus 8. Is it clear? If you simplify, we get answer. If you simplify, we get finally answer 99 crores 40 lakhs 11,992. Yes, this is the answer. So in this way, we can solve this 1001 whole cube also. So try yourself this question and complete the given assignment. Thank you.